Hello Internet. In this video I'd like to give you a brief introduction to the new agent teams mode in Claude Code and how to set it up and what actually happens under the hood. So let's get started. First off, if you want to leverage that, what you need to do is you need to go into your user home directory in the settings.json under the .claude folder and enable this specific line here. So environment and then Claude Code experimental agent teams 1. So that's what you need to add, and then you need to restart Claude Code and then it should be available for you. And then let me give you here a breakdown of the example I ran. So first off, best practice, as far as I've seen, is that you really mention it inside Claude Code. So you can see here, create an agent team to research latest information of Gen AI impact on US economy and so on, right? So I specifically mentioned here agent team. And then I want to create a PowerPoint presentation based on the findings. That's the idea here. And then you can see, for me, it runs an additional skill, the brainstorming skill, in order to ask me clarifying questions. So what exactly do I want to know, right? It helps me a little bit, or Claude in this case, to further narrow down what I want to know. And then let me walk you through what happens. So let's scroll down a little bit so you can see the agents which are spawned, which you can see here. So obviously here, this is team create, which happens. And then I have here multiple agents in my team. I have 3 research agents, which are run in parallel here in my team, which is researcher labor, researcher GDP, and researcher corp, right? As you can see, they run in parallel, and each of them searches a specific topic about, in this case, the US economy. And then I have a synthesizer. Of course, this one can only run after the research has been done. Then I have a critique. And then I also have a report builder, which creates then the final PowerPoint presentation. So that's basically my team, which is set up. And then it basically runs through this. And we can see that multiple agents, what they do, and so on and so on and so on. And scroll down. And then, of course, further at the end, you can see when they are done. Then here they're still in progress. And then it hands off to the next agent. An interesting part of this is that those agents can communicate to each other, so I don't need to tell them, right, so now you're done, now start the critique or the synthesis, so it happens automatically, right? So the agents can talk to each other while they are doing their job, so to speak. And then the final output, of course, I can also show this to you, which is this one here, Gen AI Impact Economy. That's the report itself, and then you can click through it and you can see key insights, lessons learned, and so on, based on the executive summary we just created. But hopefully you understood how to set it up. So basically just this one setting, then you specifically mention it when you actually start your task, and then you can give any kind of task, and then Claude will also ask you whether it should run agents in parallel or not, and all this happens then for you, and you just need to let the agent team do its work. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you got questions, let me know. Also, if you have already tried it, please tell me about the results. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.